In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect A1 Capital in Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account so you can access all the trading features. If you're not logged in, take a moment to sign in or create an account. Then come back to the main homepage. From the homepage, look for the option called Supercharts, sometimes simply labeled as Charts. This is TradingView's advanced charting interface, where you do most of your analysis and, importantly, where you'll connect your broker. Click on Supercharts and TradingView will open a full charting window, usually with a default symbol loaded. Once the chart is open, move your attention to the bottom area of the screen. You should see a tab called Trading Panel. This is where all broker connections are managed. If you don't see it right away, check along the bottom for a small bar with options and click on Trading Panel to expand it. This will open a section that shows different available brokers and trading services you can connect to your TradingView account. Inside the trading panel, there may only be a few brokers visible at first. To see the complete list, look for an option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This expands the panel and displays every broker integration that TradingView currently supports in your region. This step is important because A1 Capital may not appear in the initial shortened list. Now that you can see the full broker list, use the search bar within the trading panel and type in A1 Capital. As you type, TradingView will filter the results and show the matching broker. Make sure you click on the correct A1 Capital entry from the list, as that is the one you want to connect. After selecting A1 Capital, you'll see an option to connect. Click on Connect, and TradingView will open a login window or redirect you to a secure page where you can authorize the connection to your A1 Capital trading account. Follow the on-screen prompts from A1 Capital to complete the authorization process. When everything is confirmed, your A1 Capital account will be linked to TradingView, and you'll be able to place trades directly from your charts, manage positions, and monitor your account right inside the TradingView interface.